Okay, so now I have our CPU. It is the AMD AA3070 3870K APU. It's clocked out at 3.0 gigahertz. It's overclockable to like 3.2 or something crazy like that. And it has a graphics card in it. It is the AMD Radeon HD 6550D. For $109 at Newegg.com, this is a good card for our $500 build. Okay, so now I have the Apivia X Jupiter Junior. It's a silver case. At Newegg, this is about $30. Normally it's about $80, so we get $50 off at Newegg. So I recommend getting this case there. But this case, it comes with two fans, a LCD that tells the temperature or something, and, well, it's a decent sized case for our $500 build. It's going to be plenty of room. Its dimensions are 20 by 8 by 17, just about 7.75, 16.75. So I think this is a good case for our build, coming at $30. Okay, for our graphics card, we are going with the Gigabyte AMD Radeon HD 6670. This comes in at about $65 on Newegg. This is able to crossfire with our AMD APU. Okay, for our motherboard, we have the ASRock A75M. This comes in at Newegg at about $75. It has two available slots for DDR3 or 240-pin RAM, and plus an FM1 CPU slot, which is for APUs. So this is a good motherboard for our price. So for our RAM, we're going to go with the Kingston Blue 8GB kit. It's 2x4 and clocked out at 1600 megahertz. For $40, I think this is two good sticks of RAM for a $500 gaming PC. For our power supply, we're going to be using the Cougar DX600. It's a good quality power supply. I know that because it's made by Cougar. They're a good quality brand. I've used them quite a bit in my day, and they've never let me down. So that's the one reason. Plus, it's a 600 watt power supply, so it has room to grow, meaning you can upgrade this computer without changing the power supply. For our hard drive, we're going to go with the Seagate ST31000 524AS. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive, a 7,200 RPM speed, and a cache speed of 32. And you can get this for about $80 on Newegg. For our DVD drive, I just went with this cheap Light-On DVD burner. The reason I went with this is because I don't do much watching movies on my gaming computers. So I figured I'd go with this because I figured no one watches movies on their gaming computers. It doesn't make sense. So I went with this. And the total price for the whole build ended up to be $492.92. So we're about $7 under our price range. And that's good. Thumbs up for that. I think this is a good build for a $500 gaming PC. In fact, I think I'm going to build this myself.